All right, here. You want a bite? Psych! Got your ass. So, baby, what it is, what it ain't, what it do, what it don't, y'all listen while I talk to you. All right, anyway, so y'all, Jazz made, like, a big boy burger. And we got some fries. Okay, anyway. Oh, God. Y'all know I bust down with the bust down. We finna bust down, baby. All right, this about to get messy. Oh, it's so good though. Yeah. Oh, I got the onion on the side. Y'all know I don't really like eating messy, but in this case, I don't mind. Oh yeah. Yeah, hit the dogs. And Sprite. No, what the fuck, cuz? Yo, I always forget to give y'all a bite. Yeah, I'll let you get it. Let me wipe that mayo out. Because a lot of people don't like mayo. She made a lot of them. Go make your own. Okay? This is mine. But it's plenty in there. But yeah, we can like make you a plate. Y'all should really go try that guacamole sauce. If you like guacamole, that sauce is good. No tomato. I don't want no tomato. Grind on me, relax your mind, put your fun on me, slow down. Alright, so let me ask you, like, if you made it this far, how do you like your burgers? Do you like them medium rare, medium well? I like mine medium well. Or do you like yours well done? But y'all know I'm a bust down with the bust down every time. Every time.